How to turn off auto capitalization on iPhone. Hey iPhone user, do you ever get frustrated with your phone automatically capitalizing every word? I have got a quick fix for you today that will save you time and hassle. Stick around, you don't want to miss that. Alright, let's dive in. First, grab your iPhone and open the setting app. If just like this, go to Journal, scroll down and select Keyboard. Now, hear this magic toggle of auto capitalization. That's it. You have just taken control of your keyboard. No more annoying caps where you don't want them. See how easy that was. No more mistake or wide capitalization. Now you are in control of every letter you type. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and share it with your anyone who had this annoying issue. Stay tuned for more awesome iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.